Today I will show how to buy shares of Klarna Group PLC, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KLAR. Klarna is a fintech company focused on online payments and buy now pay later services, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker KLAR to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing for Klarna Group PLC to avoid similar names or markets. On the asset page, review the short company profile and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker KLAR before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to use and review the order details carefully. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. For reference, the eToro link is provided in the video description if you want to follow these steps.